Across the country, the arrival of spring has brought a wave of festival celebrations and announcements. Yet many may wonder why local festivals are so widespread. Today, we look into the history of regional festivals and the basic principles behind their organization and planning. The beginning of local festivals. Festivals first began centuries ago as village traditions, in which communities gathered to perform rituals honoring the heavens. But the large-scale local festivals familiar today only became widespread about 30 years ago. In 1995, South Korea introduced a system of local autonomy, giving regional governments greater control over their own administration. This meant local authorities had to find ways to promote their areas and generate funding, leading many of them to organize festivals aimed at attracting visitors and boosting local economies. Types of festivals and their organizers. Each local festival has a different main theme. Some focus on natural environments such as butterflies or flowers, while others highlight local history or traditional arts passed down through generations. There are also festivals that promote famous local products, such as ginseng or pottery. But who actually creates these festivals? In the past, the work was handled mostly by government officials, who planned and organized events directly. Today, that role is increasingly shared with private organizations, including festival committees and cultural foundations specializing in event management. As the atmosphere and identity of a festival often depend on those behind it, collaboration between planners, local specialists, and scholars of traditional culture has become a crucial part of the process. Economic principles and budget funding. Holding a festival requires a great deal of money. This funding is called a budget, and it is usually not covered only by local taxes. Instead, local governments combine their own funds with financial support from the central government. This is because revitalizing local economies benefits the entire country. So the government also provides support. Nowadays, some festivals even return the cost of admission tickets in the form of gift certificates that can only be used within the local community. In this way, the money collected does not simply disappear after being spent. It helps improve the lives of local residents as a whole. In other words, festival budgets are the result of thoughtful planning,